This is TIMEMORE's new budget electric grinder, Bricks. This $200 budget grinder is built solid, with an all-metal powder-coated surface and sharp corners that really nail the Bricks look. It comes with the S2C 40mm conical burr that's designed for both espresso and pour-over. According to TIMEMORE, this S2C burr yields a bimodal particle distribution for espresso and a unimodal distribution for pour-over. It has a step adjustment bean chamber with 100 stops, with each stop offering a 0.01mm burr adjustment. We did a quick grind for a pour-over at 70 stops using a medium-light roasted Kenya-washed coffee. It takes about 9 seconds to grind 15 grams of coffee, and the grounds came out very uniform, and the brew turned out full-bodied with a strong, juicy tomatoes flavor. For a budget electric grinder, Bricks has a robust build and even includes the TIMEMORE 078S Twisty Knocker. It's a great-looking, versatile option for beginners who love both espresso and pour-over. Let us know what you think in the comments below.